How to use points on Shein. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can use your points on Shein. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to shein.com, or you can also download and install the Shein app on your device. Once you have opened the application or the Shein website, make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to explore this website and find the products that you want to purchase. Now you want to tap on Add to Cart. Once it has been added to your cart, tap on this cart icon. Now you want to tap on the checkout option. Make sure that you have already entered the shipping address over here. Once that is done, you can set up your payment method. You can select whichever payment method you want. Now you want to tap on this view more options, and here you have the option of points. Tap on this option. It is going to show you your total points over here. Points can only be redeemed towards the purchase of products and cannot be used towards shipping costs, taxes, or fees. If you have the points available, tap on the apply option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.